May 17th, 2000. The day I was brought into this world, where everything all began. I never thought I would be where I am today. Through all the heartbreak, loss, stress, I made it. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. Growing up, I never thought I would have the friends and relationships with my family that I do today. All the people that doubted me see me succeed. The greatest pleasure in my life is doing the things people say you cannot do. Every day I am blessed to wake up and be alive. There has been many times when I took my family for granted, school for granted. High school was the beginning of anything you want to do or achieve. How you treat it is how your experience will go. I owe everything to my mom, dad, and my family all together, especially my Nana and Poppy. One of the worst things in my life was losing my Poppy. He won't see me graduate or get married or have kids, but I know he is proud of me. I planned for things and they didn't turn out the way I wanted. I have asked sometimes, why me? What did I do to deserve this? But I've learned we must let go of the life we planned to accept the one that is waiting for us. I have finally learned to accept what is in store for me. I have probably changed my future career a million times, but you never really know where your life will take you or what will change. There is no time to be down and sad. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Most of you watching this do not know me. Throughout the 4 years of being in this school, I never got the chance to get to know everyone around me. Here I am, just like everyone else. I fought my battles, some I lost, some I won. But the strongest people are not those who show strength in front of us, but those who win battles we know nothing about. Don't underestimate me. I know more than I say, think more than I speak, and notice more than you realize. Everyone wants happiness. No one wants sadness. I have watched friendships come and go, people I never wanted to lose. But God puts people in your life for a reason and removes them from your life for a better reason. Don't allow someone to make you feel like you're not good enough. Sometimes you have to get knocked down lower than you have ever been to stand back up taller than you ever were. Don't feel bad for making decisions that upset other people. You were not responsible for their happiness, you were responsible for yours. I have learned to always pray to have eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith. Never forget how blessed you are. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. As this year comes to an end, graduation comes closer and our new life begins. We journey into the world of adulthood. It's a scary thought, but I am ready. I turn my can'ts into cans, my dreams into plans, and I am unstoppable. I will be the change that I want to see in the world. As we go our separate ways and walk out of these doors for the last time, I thank everyone. My name is Haley Emmons, and this is my last lecture.